Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Satanic Gifts is probably one of the most intriguing and unique categories of presents you can explore, offering a departure from the conventional and delving into the realms of the esoteric, the artistic, and the personally symbolic, making them perfect for those who appreciate a touch of the unconventional or a deeper connection to their personal beliefs and aesthetics, ensuring a memorable and meaningful exchange that stands out from the ordinary. Number 5. OTOTO Vino Spooky Bat Opener. Introducing Vino, the Bat. This unique opener is designed to make opening your wine and beer bottles a breeze. It's the perfect companion for any wine lover. With its durable wings and sharp fangs, it effortlessly opens corks and bottle caps. It's not just functional, it's a fun novelty item that adds a touch of gothic charm to your kitchen. Take your drink creations to the next level. Whether you're making beer cocktails or wine mixes, this opener is ready to impress. It pierces foil and cuts cleanly, making the process magical. Crafted from high-quality silicone and metal, it's BPA-free and rust-resistant. Enjoy your favorite beverages knowing it's safe and built to last. OTOTO's products are designed to bring joy and quirkiness to your daily routine. This bat opener is a perfect example, turning ordinary tasks into delightful experiences. Looking for a unique housewarming gift or a present for a wine enthusiast? This spooky bat opener is a gift that's sure to be a hit, bringing smiles and functionality. What we like. This unique bat-shaped opener is perfect for adding a touch of gothic fun to your kitchen. Its dual function makes it ideal for both wine and beer lovers. If you're looking for a conversation starter or a quirky gift for someone who loves spooky aesthetics, this is the one. What people say. The craftsmanship is excellent, with intricate details that truly capture the essence of the design. The material used is of high quality, giving the product a substantial and durable feel. It's a unique piece that stands out and serves as a great conversation starter. Number 4. OTOTO Spookula Vampire Folding Umbrella. Introducing the Spookula Vampire Umbrella from OTOTO. It's not just an umbrella, it's a statement piece for those who embrace the darker, cooler aesthetic. This unique umbrella is designed to fold and collapse, making it incredibly convenient to carry wherever you go. Perfect for your daily adventures or spooky outings. Embrace the gothic charm with its striking black and white design. It's the perfect accessory to complement your unique style, rain or shine. Looking for a cool gift? This spooky umbrella is an ideal choice for anyone who loves gothic accessories or unique, eye-catching items. Don't let the rain dampen your spirits. Stay dry and stylish with this must-have-rain umbrella, perfect for Halloween or any day you want to add a touch of spooky fun. What we like. Stay dry in style with this uniquely designed gothic umbrella. Its folding and collapsible feature makes it incredibly convenient for on-the-go use. If you appreciate dark aesthetics and need a practical accessory for rainy days, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The intricate details on the pentagram pendant are stunning, and it feels substantial without being too heavy. The craftsmanship of the altar cloth is exceptional, with beautiful embroidery that really elevates the ritual space. The candle holder is surprisingly sturdy and holds standard taper candles securely, providing a stable flame. Number 3. Ebros Gift Dark Occult Baphomet Wine Goblet. Discover a unique piece that blends dark occult aesthetics with symbolic meaning. This goblet is more than just a drinkware, it's a statement. Crafted from fine poly resin and stainless steel, each goblet is meticulously hand-painted and polished. Its intricate details are truly remarkable. Featuring the iconic face of Baphomet and a pentagram base, it represents the reconciliation of opposites. Embrace the symbolism of unity and acceptance. Standing at 6.75 inches tall with a 5.3-ounce capacity, it's ideal for your favorite beverages. Its dimensions are approximately 3.25 L x 3.25 W. This striking goblet serves as an exceptional addition to your kitchen or hosting decor. It's a conversation starter for any gathering. To maintain its detailed finish, please remember that this item is hand wash only. Enjoy its unique charm for years to come. What we like. Embrace the symbolic reconciliation of opposites with this Baphomet wine goblet. Crafted with intricate details and a durable stainless steel interior, it's a statement piece for any collection. If you are drawn to occult symbolism and appreciate unique, hand-painted drinkware, this goblet is a must-have. What people say. The intricate design features occult symbols and imagery, making it a unique piece for any altar or display. Crafted from high-quality resin, this statue is durable and detailed, capturing the essence of dark aesthetics. The size is perfect for tabletop display, and the craftsmanship is evident in every sculpted detail. Number 2. Jurassic Park Mosquito in Amber Resin Prop Replica. Discover the iconic origin of Jurassic Park. This movie replica pays homage to the fossilized mosquito that made it all possible, and now it can be yours. This decorative amber fossil can be a paperweight, a shelf decoration, or an addition to your collection. There are countless ways to incorporate it into your home. Standing 3 inches tall, this replica is cast in a translucent blend that brings movie magic to life. Flaunt your dinosaur passion with this durable piece. You and your friends will exclaim, "Well, there it is," each time you view this marvelous Jurassic Park piece in your home or office. This officially licensed fossilized amber mosquito replica is ready for its new home, your home. What we like. Own a piece of cinematic history with this Jurassic Park mosquito in amber replica. It serves as both a unique decorative item and a functional paperweight. If you're a fan of the iconic movie franchise and want to add a touch of prehistoric flair to your desk or shelf, this collectible is perfect. What people say. The intricate details on the pentagram pendant are stunning, and the chain is surprisingly durable. This altar cloth is made of a high-quality, thick fabric that drapes beautifully and features a detailed occult design. The ritual dagger is perfectly balanced and feels substantial in hand, with a sharp, well-crafted blade. Number 1. Satanic Rainbow Pullover Hoodie. Dare to be different with this unique pullover hoodie. It's designed for those who embrace their individuality and stand out from the crowd. Make a bold statement with this eye-catching hoodie. Its distinctive design is sure to turn heads and spark conversations. Experience ultimate comfort without compromising on style. This hoodie is perfect for everyday wear, offering a relaxed fit and a touch of edgy fashion. Looking for a gift that's truly unique? This hoodie is an ideal choice for anyone who appreciates unconventional art and self-expression. This garment is more than just clothing, it's a canvas for your spirit. Express yourself freely and confidently with this one-of-a-kind piece. What we like. Make a bold statement with this Satanic Rainbow Hoodie. It offers a comfortable fit and a striking graphic that's sure to turn heads. If you're looking for apparel that expresses individuality and embraces unconventional themes, this hoodie is an excellent pick. What people say. This is a great gift for anyone who loves the occult. The craftsmanship is excellent, and the details are very intricate. It's a unique and conversation-starting piece that really stands out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.